Hello friends, we are here with a new video on sentence completion. If you are new, please subscribe and hit the notifications button so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Now, we have uploaded videos regarding the necessary rules for English usage and grammar. Please watch them before you attempt these questions. So we will go straight to the questions here. Directions for question 1 to question 105. Pick out the most effective word from the given words to fill in the blank to make the sentence meaningfully complete. You have to fill a blank given in the sentence with the most appropriate word which can meaningfully complete the sentence. आपको करना क्या है, खाली स्थान में एक ऐसे शब्द का चयन करना है, ऐसे शब्द का चुनाव करना है जो कि वाक्य को अर्थपूर्ण तरीके से पूरा कर सके, उसका सही सही मतलब बता सके. तो हम शुरू करते हैं. कुछ सवाल हम धीरे धीरे डिटेल में देखेंगे और उसके बाद हम रफ्तार में चलेंगे थोड़ा. We'll see some questions in detail in the beginning so that you get the hang of it. And then we have to move fast because we need to complete the syllabus also. Question number first. His illness was dash by unfavorable weather conditions. Here, it's not a B here, it's a V. Unfavorable weather conditions. Now, here, cured will not be possible because when you are facing unfavorable weather conditions, you definitely not going to be cured. If you have a cold and you are in minus 15 degrees Celsius temperature, then it is definitely not going to help. यहाँ पे cured नहीं आएगा क्योंकि cured का मतलब है इलाज हो जाना. Unfavorable weather, जब मौसम खराब है तब आपका ठीक होना संभव कम है. सबसाइडेड, धीरे धीरे खत्म हो जाना. धीरे धीरे भी कैसे खत्म होगी? अनफेवरेबल वेदर में बीमारी नहीं जाएगी. कंट्रोल्ड, और कंट्रोल्ड का भी लगभग यही मतलब है. डायग्नोज्ड, बीमारी का पता लगना. बीमारी का तो पहले ही पता है, और बीमारी का पता लगाने में अनफेवरेबल वेदर का क्या रोल है? When you are already diagnosed with a disease, what is the role of unfavorable weather in diagnosing a disease? The only option is aggravated. That he already had a disease and now the condition is worsened because of the unfavorable weather. His illness was aggravated by unfavorable weather conditions. We'll look at question number 2. Hardly had I reached my office dash I got your message. Then, before, while, after, when. So, for beginners, you put each and every word in the blank and you see what happens. Hardly had I reached my office, then. This is not THEN, then, it's then. Then का यहाँ में मतलब है comparison. He is heavier than her. वह उससे भारी है. That's the then. Then here is used for comparison. Hardly had I reached my office, then I got your message. Does not make sense. कोई तुक नहीं बनता. Hardly had I reached my office before I got your message. ये भी grammatically सही नहीं है. Hardly had I reached my office while I got your message. ये भी सही नहीं. यहाँ सही है जवाब when, क्योंकि hardly के साथ when का यूज होगा. Hardly had I reached my office when I got your message. Hardly will be used with when. Question number 3. Our exports showed such a dash increase that we could hardly gain anything. अब we have to keep in mind that we will only use a word here which makes sense in the context of the sentence. For example, we can put huge also here. Now huge will be grammatically correct, but it will not make sense, because when you are making huge increase in export, you should have profit. But since we are hardly gaining anything, since there is no profit, there has to be low exports. So only thing that denotes low is marginal. Marginal का मतलब बहुत थोड़ा. यदि किसी के एक्सपोर्ट ज्यादा हैं और इंपोर्ट कम है तो उसको प्रॉफिट होगा, लेकिन यहां पे प्रॉफिट हो नहीं रहा है तो एक्सपोर्ट कम ही हो रहे होंगे, तो ऐसे समय पर मार्जिनल का यूज होगा. मार्जिनल का मतलब बहुत कम, मामूली. आवर एक्सपोर्ट्स शोड सच अ मार्जिनल इंक्रीज दैट वी कुड हार्डली गेन एनीथिंग. Question number 4. Question number 4. You will dash he is disabled. He is an excellent singer. So we will put each and every word. Despite he is disabled, he is an excellent singer. Wrong. Because if we are using despite, then we have to say despite being disabled, he is an excellent singer. Because he is disabled, he is an excellent singer does not make sense. Unfortunately, he is disabled, he is an excellent singer also does not make sense. Even he is disabled is wrong. Last thing is, though he is disabled, he is an excellent singer. This makes perfect sense. Now I hope you have got the hang of it. अब मुझे लगता है कि आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. तो हम थोड़ा रफ्तार में चलते हैं किसका जवाब क्या होगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. ही इज सो प्राउड ऑफ हिज वेल्थ दैट ही लुक्स डाउन. फॉर गलत, एट गलत, विद गलत, अपॉन द पुअर. दिस वन इज राइट. ही इज सो प्राउड ऑफ हिज वेल्थ दैट ही लुक्स डाउन अपॉन द पुअर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Question number 6. His income is quite dash for him to lead a comfortable life. Meager, insufficient, more, less. Some of these might appear right, but adequate makes perfect sense. Adequate का मतलब काफी, उसकी तनख्वाह एक कंफर्टेबल लाइफ जीने के लिए काफी है. His income is adequate for him to lead a comfortable life. Question number 7. The police used tear gas to dash the violent mob. Disperse, confuse, diffuse, drive, assemble. Again, in your mind, apply these words one by one to this sentence, and you will see that disperse makes perfect sense. The police used tear gas to disperse the violent mob. Question number 8. The twins looked so dash that we could not distinguish between them. Now, as we can see from the question, they are twins. जुड़वा हैं. जुड़वा बच्चों की खासियत क्या होती है? एक जैसे दिखते हैं. और जब आप पहचान नहीं पा रहे हैं तो डेफिनेटली डिफरेंट तो नहीं होंगे. तो यहां पे आएगा आइडेंटिकल. आइडेंटिकल विल बी यूज्ड बिकॉज ये ऑलरेडी स्टेटेड इन द सेंटेंस दैट दे कैन नॉट डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन देम, एंड द ओनली टाइम व्हेन यू कैन नॉट डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन टू थिंग्स इज व्हेन दे आर आइडेंटिकल. द ट्विन्स लुक्ड सो आइडेंटिकल दैट वी कुड नॉट डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन देम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. इफ आई डैश इन योर पोजिशन, I would not have paid the bills. Let's look at the options. The options for 9th are were, had, am, will, find. So in 9th, if I were in your position, I would not have paid the bills. A is the right answer. Question number 10th. Rather than dash others, why don't you look for your own mistakes? Rather than blaming others, rather than helping others, pointing, watching and impressing. The only thing that makes sense here is blaming. Rather than blaming others, why don't you look for your own mistakes? Question number 11th. I saw him going escorted dash two policemen. I saw him over, with, off, against, by. I saw him going escorted by two policemen. Question number 13. As he could not execute the work properly, he had no option dash to leave the organization. Here, two things, except and but, appear more right. No option except to leave the organization can also be right, but we will go with but here. But to leave the organization. हम यहाँ पे एक्सेप्ट और बट दोनों ही सही होते हैं. यहाँ पर बट दे रखा है बुक में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14th. The government aims dash rehabilitating the affected victims in the calamity. The answer is government कहाँ निशाना लगा रही है? The government aims at something. Aims के साथ at ही आता है. 14th की E. The answer is E. The government aims at. The unemployment problem as dash is not that severe among the educated women. The perfect answer for here is perceived. Perceived का मतलब होता है देखी जाती है. Question number 16. The huts were dashed on fire by some antisocial elements. Set on fire will be correct expression. The answer is E. Set on fire. Question number 17. Question number 17. Although the two sisters are twins, they look somewhat. Here again, between different and similar. If they are similar, then it is already given that they are twins. Nothing would have been special. But doubt is being expressed. Although the two sisters are twins, they look somewhat different. यहाँ पर different और similar के बीच में confuse होने वाली बात है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे समझने लायक ये है कि यदि ट्विंस हैं और एक जैसे दिखते हैं तो कोई नई बात नहीं, पर एक ट्विंस होने के बाद भी यदि वे अलग दिखते हैं, जुड़वा होने के बाद भी अलग दिखते हैं, तो डाउट है. और डाउट इस क्वेश्चन में एक्सप्रेस किया जा रहा है, तो समवॉट डिफरेंट आना चाहिए. 17th का सी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. Although the policemen searched the place, they could not collect any evidence. Now, thoroughly will be the answer. Thoroughly का मतलब है ठीक से, ढंग से पुलिस ने जगह को छान के देखा, लेकिन एविडेंस नहीं मिला. Question number 19th. The judge ordered that the criminal be put to death. Put to death यहाँ पर सही एक्सप्रेशन है, इसलिए उसी का यूज होगा. Question number 20. Question number 20. The city was plunged dash darkness due to a sudden power failure. Plunged into the darkness is the correct expression. अंधेरे में डूब गया. Question number 21. Varun cannot pass the examination dash hard he may study. यहाँ पर सेंटेंस में however का उपयोग सही होगा, क्योंकि हम ये कहना चाह रहे हैं कि वरुण एग्जाम पास नहीं कर सकता, वो कितना भी पढ़ ले. However will be used here to make sense in the sentence. Question number 22. As an upright person, whether it is pleasant or unpleasant, I will dash speak the truth. आई विल ऑलवेज स्पीक द ट्रूथ, यहां पर कंटेक्स्ट के हिसाब से ऑलवेज आएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. द स्टूडेंट्स डिड नॉट पे अटेंशन dash what the teacher said. Did not pay attention to what the teacher said will be correct expression. Question number 24. You can be excused on the condition that you promise to behave dash in the future. Promise to behave means you have not behaved properly. So in the future you will behave properly. Here be, properly should be used to make sense. Question number 25. He is poor yet he is honest. Question number 26. Question number 26. Please do not dash me now. I am very busy. I will look into it tomorrow. बिजी आदमी को क्या नहीं करते, बिजी आदमी को डिस्टर्ब नहीं करते. Please do not disturb me now. I am very busy. I will look into it tomorrow. Question number 27. A new shop dash started in this building since last week. Shop has already started. Shop पहले से ही है तो have been की जगह has been आएगा. A new shop has been started in this building. The answer is D. Question number 28. The passengers were very happy dash the friendly warm treatment given to them. Let's look at the options. The options are by, to, within, about, from. The passengers were very happy dash the friendly and warm treatment given to them. The answer is A. Very happy by the warm and friendly treatment given to them. I will be leaving for Delhi tonight and am dash to return by this weekend. Planned sounds right, but instead of planned it should have been planning. So we are going to use E. Likely. I will be leaving for Delhi tonight and am likely to return by this weekend. Question number 30. The cardboard box was dash under the pressure of the heavy trunk and therefore could not be used. The proper answer will be C. Crushed. Heavy trunk के बोझ से कार्डबोर्ड का डब्बा था वो क्रश हो गया. Question number 31. We have discussed this topic enough. Now we better dash this topic and take up a new one. Open the topic, bring the topic, destroy this topic, talk this topic. जब हम बता रहे हैं कि हमने काफी बात कर ली तो obviously we will use better close this topic. The answer is D. 32. Dash my best efforts, I failed to convince Sanjay about my proposal. The answer will be B. Despite. मेरी बहुत कोशिशों के बावजूद मैं संजय को कन्विंस नहीं कर पाया, तो यहाँ पे B आएगा. Despite. Question number 33. We should take dash measures to prevent recurrence of such incidents. The answer is इफेक्टिव. प्रभावी निर्णय लेने चाहिए ताकि ऐसी चीजें ना हो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 34. सविता डिसाइडेड टू सेट डैश सम टाइम असाइड सम टाइम एवरी डे फॉर प्रेयर्स. तो इसका आंसर होगा सविता डिसाइडेड टू सेट असाइड सम टाइम. उसने कुछ समय बचाया, कुछ समय निकालने के लिए फैसला किया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 35. 35. This year, the prestigious prize was dashed by two reputed social scientists for their contribution in social sciences. The obvious answer is C. Shared. दो लोगों ने शेयर किया. Question number 36. Unfavorable weather condition can जैसा कि हमने पहले में देखा था, अनफेवरेबल वेदर कंडीशन से क्या होगा? क्योर नहीं होगा, डिफेक्ट नहीं होगा, ट्रीट नहीं होगा, डायग्नोज भी नहीं होगा, क्या होगा? एनहांस होगी, जो कंडीशन थी आपकी और खराब हो जाएगी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 37, नो सूनर डिड द बेल रिंग डैश द एक्टर्स स्टार्टेड सिंगिंग। जैसे ही घंटी बजी एक्टर ने गाना गाना शुरू कर दिया। यहां पे बी पे आएगा देन। 37th, the answer is B. No sooner did the bell ring than the actor started singing. It's not A, it's E. Then. Question number 38. The employees were unhappy because their salary was not increased. The answer would be substantially. कि कोई ढंग से इंक्रीज नहीं हुई है उनकी सैलरी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 39, डैश, बीइंग ए हैंडीकैप्ड पर्सन ही इज वेरी कोऑपरेटिव एंड सेल्फ रिलायंट डिस्पाइट, कि वह हैंडीकैप्ड होने के बावजूद बहुत ही कोऑपरेटिव और सेल्फ रिलायंट है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 40, the child broke away from his mother and ran towards the painting. Here, broke away is an expression. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो अपनी माँ से टूट कर अलग हो गया। इसका मतलब है वो हाथ छुड़ाकर या अपनी माँ के पास से पेंटिंग के पास चला गया। The answer would be A. The child broke away from his mother. Question number 41. With his dash income, he finds it difficult to live a comfortable life. The answer is meager. Meager का मतलब है मामूली, बहुत थोड़ी सी. Very little income, so he cannot live comfortably. Question number 42. He could dash a lot of money. He could dash a lot of money in such a short time by using his intelligence and working hard. The answer is he could accumulate. वो इतना सारा पैसा इकट्ठा कर सका। accumulate का मतलब है इकट्ठा करना। To accumulate. Question number 43. Though the brothers are twins, they look. जब दो का यूज आ गया है तो मतलब ट्विंस की तरह वो आइडेंटिकल तो है ही नहीं, दे लुक डिफरेंट आएगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 44, इफ आई डैश रियलाइज्ड इट आई वुड नॉट हैव एक्टेड ऑन हिज एडवाइस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 44, द आंसर इज बी, इफ आई हैड रियलाइज्ड इट, अगर मुझे पता होता, अगर मुझे पता लगता, अगर मुझे पहले पता होता तो मैं ये नहीं करता। क्वेश्चन नंबर 45, वाई डोंट यू डैश योर वर्क इन एडवांस बिफोर कमेंसिंग इट। द आंसर इज प्लान। काम शुरू करने से पहले उसे प्लान क्यों नहीं करते। क्वेश्चन नंबर 46, वी आर मेकिंग अरेंजमेंट्स डैश द फंक्शन। हम अरेंजमेंट कर रहे हैं फंक्शन के लिए, for the function. D is the answer. Question number 47. The train had dashed out before I reached the station. The answer is steamed out. It's an expression. The train had steamed out. Question number 48. The wise men said that we should not dash the starts for our failures. The proper answer is blame, because that is what blame makes sense here. Question number 49. The guards dashed the burglar red-handed. To make sense, it should have caught the burglar red-handed. Question number 50. More and more strength can be dashed through exercise. The answer is B. Gained. The answer is gained. Both the brothers are equally handsome, but the elder dash the two is more intelligent. दोनों में से जो बड़ा वाला है, the elder among the two, दोनों में से, among the two. The answer is A. Question number 52. He feels that the dash of his achievement goes to his father. The answer is D. Credit. उसे लगता है कि उसकी अचीवमेंट का श्रेय, क्रेडिट उसके पिताजी को जाता है. The answer is D. We have done 52 questions here, friends. This is in sentence completion. Here you need to have a vocabulary. Vocabulary can be attained by reading novels or reading newspapers or watching movies in English itself. So please build up your vocabulary and read as much sentences as you can, solve as many questions as you can. Keep working hard, and if you are new, please subscribe, hit the notifications button so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video and you don't miss anything. Thank you, work hard.